Calming auditory exercises, techniques for relaxation during overload. Welcome to this journey of discovering the soothing power of sound to regain balance and relaxation during moments of mental overload. In this video, you'll learn simple, effective auditory techniques to help calm your mind, body, and emotions. Whether you're dealing with work stress, overwhelm at home, or general anxiety, these tools will become your allies in navigating through life's chaos. Let's dive in. Sound can profoundly affect our mental and physical state. Studies have shown that specific types of sounds and frequencies help lower heart rates, loosen tension, and improve mood. This is because of how sound interacts with the brain and nervous system, tapping into our body's natural mechanisms for relaxation. Think about the gentle hum of rain, the repetitive whoosh of ocean waves, or the calming murmur of a soft breeze. Sounds like these tend to soothe us because they mimic patterns found in nature. Simple yet effective triggers for deep relaxation. In this video, you'll explore auditory exercises that harness this power of sound to bring calm to moments of stress. Our first technique is called deep listening. This practice encourages you to tune in to the subtle sounds around you, focusing fully on one soundscape at a time. Why deep listening works. Deep listening pulls your attention away from the noise of your internal thoughts and grounds you in the present moment. By concentrating on a single sound, you gently quiet the mind, allowing stress to melt away. Exercise, tuning into nearby subtle sounds. Start by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a moment to notice the sounds around you. Perhaps it's the ticking of a clock, the faint hum of an appliance, or leaves rustling in the distance. Focus all your attention on just one sound in your environment. Follow its rhythm, its intensity, and its unique patterns. Feel how your breath slows as you listen deeply. This practice isn't about analyzing the sound but simply being with it. When your mind begins to wander, return your attention to that same sound. Even 2 minutes of deep listening can create a new sense of calm. Next, we'll explore the intriguing power of binaural beats, a scientifically backed auditory tool for relaxation. What are binaural beats and how do they work? Binaural beats occur when you listen to two slightly different frequencies, one in each ear. Your brain processes these two tones and perceives a third imaginary tone, a beat, which influences your mental state. For example, lower frequency beats can promote relaxation, calmness, and focus. Using binaural beats in practice. To try this technique, find a pair of headphones and a binaural beat track, which is easily available online. Choose one designed for relaxation or meditation. Sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes and let yourself immerse in the gentle pulsing sound. Feel how your body responds to the rhythm. Over time, your breath may deepen naturally, and your muscles may feel less tense. Binaural beats are especially effective for quick stress relief, as they work within minutes to encourage feelings of calm. Nature sounds hold a transformative quality that instantly soothes the mind. When you can't physically escape to a quiet, natural setting, you can bring nature to you through sound, complete with all its therapeutic magic. Why nature sounds are naturally soothing. Sounds like rain, running water, or the rustling of leaves mimic predictable rhythmic patterns. These patterns signal safety and can lull our overstimulated minds into a restful state. Unlike sudden, unexpected noises, the stable rhythms of nature trigger our natural relaxation response. Creating a personal nature soundscape. To create your own peaceful retreat, find a pre-recorded soundscape, such as the sound of rainfall, the ocean, or birdsong. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and transport yourself mentally to the scene. Imagine standing by the ocean or sitting by a campfire under a starry sky. Allow the imagery to blend with the sounds, completing the experience. Even as a background sound while working or unwinding, nature-inspired soundscapes can help sustain focus, calmness, and clarity. Sound meditation combines auditory elements with mindfulness practices, which makes it one of the most versatile techniques for relaxation. Let's explore 2 sound meditation practices you can try right away: resonance practices and repetitive sound focus. Resonance practice, the power of humming. One simple yet highly effective form of sound meditation involves humming. When you hum, the vibrations you create resonate through the body, particularly in your chest. These vibrations act as a natural soother for the nervous system, helping to lower stress levels. To practice this technique, sit in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath, then exhale slowly while humming gently. Choose a sound like or om that feels comfortable for you. Pay attention to how the vibration feels in your chest and throat as you hum. Each time you repeat this, focus on the waves of calmness traveling through your body. Focused sound mindfulness, attending to repetitive sounds. Another form of sound meditation involves fully concentrating on a repetitive sound. It could be the ticking of a clock, the whir of a fan, or even the slow drip of water. This is similar to deep listening, but the focus is entirely on the rhythm and repetition. Start with 2 to 5 minutes of listening to just one repetitive sound. Notice the ebb and flow of the noise without judgment or distraction. By tuning into the repetitive nature of the sound, you'll create a sense of comforting predictability, which can help reduce anxiety. White noise can be a game changer for relaxation, especially in noisy or overstimulating environments. Its steady, neutral sound masks background noises, creating an auditory blanket that helps you stay calm and focused. What is white noise and how is it beneficial? White noise contains all audible frequencies played at equal intensity. Its even distribution creates a soft, neutral hum. Because it's non-distracting, our minds don't interpret it as significant, making it perfect for easing into calmness. Pink and brown noise options. If you find white noise too sharp or high-pitched, pink or brown noise might appeal to you. Pink noise, which is softer, includes higher energy at lower frequencies and sounds like a steady rainfall. Brown noise, which is deeper and richer, resembles distant thunder. Experiment to find which type of noise promotes the most relaxation for you. Play it during moments of stress or even at bedtime to improve sleep. While these auditory techniques are simple, consistency is key to experiencing their long-term benefits. Let's explore how to integrate them seamlessly into your routine. Start small and build gradually. You don't need to commit hours a day to these exercises. Start with short, 2 to 5 minute sessions and extend the duration as you grow more comfortable. The beauty of sound relaxation is its flexibility. You can adapt it to suit your schedule. Pairing techniques with other practices. Enhance the effects by combining auditory exercises with breathing techniques, yoga, or mindfulness meditation. For example, listen to binaural beats while practicing slow, steady breaths, or hum while holding a simple yoga pose. Portable sound tools for busy lifestyles. If you're on the go, use apps or download sound files to keep supportive tools at your fingertips. Commutes, lunch breaks, or even 5 minutes between meetings can become opportunities to practice auditory relaxation. Let's look at some real scenarios where auditory exercises can provide relief. After a stressful meeting, use white noise or deep listening to reset. Late-night restlessness, play soft nature sounds or practice humming to encourage sleep. Feeling overwhelmed, put on binaural beats and take a moment to breathe deeply. Listen to your inner cues. Each technique is flexible enough to adapt to the intensity of the moment. With consistent practice, these auditory exercises do more than relieve immediate stress. Over time, they reduce baseline anxiety levels, improve emotional resilience, and increase mental focus. Many even find these techniques create space for deeper self-awareness, bringing a sense of clarity and balance to everyday life. While the changes may feel gradual, their cumulative effect is profoundly transformative. By investing just a few minutes daily, you're equipping yourself with lifelong tools for managing stress effectively. Each of the auditory exercises we've explored taps into your body's natural ability to root itself in calmness. From deep listening and binaural beats to sound meditation and nature-inspired soundscapes, these techniques harness sound as a truly accessible and effective avenue for relaxation. Next time you feel overwhelmed, remember, peace is just a sound away. These tools don't require any special equipment or advanced training, just a willingness to pause, listen, and reconnect with yourself. Thank you for joining this journey. Take these calming auditory exercises with you and let them guide you back to balance whenever life feels noisy. Peace truly begins with listening.